Hey guys, Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I'm going to finish off my short little series of my top 15 items for my Tesla Model Y Juniper edition. So this gets started with part 3 on our top 5. Now we're doing 5 through 1. Let's get started. Starting off with number 5, okay, I would have to say would be the rear spoiler. Okay, now a spoiler, once again, it's an accessory. It just adds the look to your vehicle. But I have the white Tesla Model Y, and I really love the way the black spoiler looks on my car. I think it's one of those must-have things that everybody should have. You can put them on any car, but if you got the white one, put that black spoiler on there. Black out your windows, and then it'll look sharp. Now, this thing here, pretty easy to install. Yeah, I did have to tape it on for 2 or 3 days and then take the tape off and everything. Make sure you measure correctly. But once you get this thing on there, it looks great. All right, let's move on and see what number 4 is. All right, coming in at number 4 from EV Base is going to be these 19-inch wheel covers right here. These things here transform the way my car looked. From the original wheel covers that's on it to right now is a huge difference. I really like the way these things look. Now, they're pretty easy to put on. You just got to put some foam around them, and then you just pop them right on there. It's pretty easy, but I really like the way they look. Plus, adding in that little white symbol right there in the middle, that really gives me a nice little touch. So let's move on to number 3. Okay, coming in at number 3 is going to be these cool floor mats. I think everybody should have them. These ones are from a company called Jawa, and they have an awesome set. They have a set that covers everything from your front to both sides to your back for your passengers, all the way in the back and including your front. These things are a must-have. If you're ever going to do any kind of adventurous, getting out in the woods, getting out mudding, anything like that, you don't want to get your carpets messed up. You don't want to get those floor mats that Tesla sends you dirty or damaged or anything. You want something like this. That way, if you spill something, you spill a drink, it's going to hold that drink in there until you can stop, and then you can clean them up, okay? Anyways, guys, these floor mats here from Jawa, they're pretty cool. I really think you should pick them up. I mean, like I said, they're easy to clean. You take them out, spray them down. They're like new again. Check them out. Moving on to my next one. All right, guys, we're down to number 2 now. For my number 2, I'm going to go with a screen swivel. This screen swivel is awesome. I don't know why they don't make this thing standard in all vehicles, all Tesla vehicles. I mean, when I'm sitting here, I want that screen facing towards me. This here is the original, okay? It's pretty much like that right there. I really don't like that. It's fine, but it's so annoying me every time I get in the car before I put a swivel in there, is I'd want to grab it and bring it here. This one can go up, it can go down, whichever direction you need it to be, whichever you feel most comfortable with. I kind of like it about that right there. And guys, I've installed this in every one of my Teslas, including my daughter's and everybody's. I just think this is one of the must-have things that you should put in your car. It's pretty simple to install. Okay, guys, you ready for my number 1 accessory for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper? That's got to be, well, only one thing. Let's check it out. Hi, Amy.
I am here.
Open sunshade.
Okay.
That is a must-have here in Florida. It is so hot right now. It says it's 103 degrees out, okay? And this thing drastically lowers the temperature inside my car, whether it's just sitting here during the day, whatever. I keep it closed. Hi, Amy.
I am here.
Close sunshade.
Okay.
It works great. It has voice controls. There is a button here you can press. I can press the buttons right here and open and close it. Sometimes it's just fun to talk to her and have her close and open it for me and stuff. But also, see these ambient lights right here? You can change the colors to whatever you want. Okay, me, you know it. I like the blue, so of course I'm going to leave it on that. But this thing is awesome. I get in here during the day when the car has been running, and I get in, it's hot, it's warm, but it's not as hot as it would be if the sun was beating in through the glass, okay? Now, everybody says, boy, that's got to be awfully hot without a sunshade or anything, and it's so hot. Yeah, it's hot down here in Florida when the sun's beating in, but after you get in your car in about 5 minutes of driving, you get that AC kicking and stuff, it's fine. It's no problem at all. But I do like this. This helps keep this car a lot cooler. At nighttime, I leave it open. When I'm driving around, I want to be able to see out the window, I can leave it open. But during the daytime right now, especially during the summertime, I'm keeping this thing closed. I mean, like I said, there's so many different things. Hi, Amy. Switch color.
Okay.
Switch color.
Okay.
There you go. So you can put it to whatever color you want. You can play around with it. But switch blue.
Okay.
See? I just like blue better. But anyways, guys, this is my number one. It's from Test Studio. It takes a little bit of time to install it, but well worth it. Once again, link will be down below if this is something you're interested in. Well, there you have it. You got my top 5, my top 10, my top 15 items that I feel that you should have in your 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. These things, pretty cool. Now, I've done 15 items here. There's going to be more. I might end up changing my mind on my order come tomorrow when I go to install something else. Who knows? But guys, that's what I like about these items, is that you can add them, you can remove them, you can replace things, you can do whatever you want with your car, okay? You don't have to keep it standard as the same way you brought it home on day one. You can make it fun. You can add things. You can enjoy your time when you're driving your car, okay? Have some fun with it. All right. Hey, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more stuff coming. I'm also giving away a free Tesla wall charger. Okay. The link is down below in the description that you can click on it. All you have to do is comment on some of my videos and you get your chance to qualify for a free Tesla wall charger, brand new from me. I'm going to send it to you guys. Okay. So anyways, also any of the items, the top 15 items, these top 5, all these items will be in the description down below. You can click on them, check out these companies. A lot of these companies have a lot of different items for all kinds of different vehicles out there. Okay. It's not just the Model Y Juniper. Okay. They have them for all the different EVs out there. So go in there and check them out. And hey, you make sure that you use my discount code. Most of the links will already apply my discount code when you go to view on them. But if they don't, make sure you put in my discount code. I'll have the discount code down there in the description as well. Okay. So please go check them out. Guys, if you haven't done so already, like my video, subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more stuff coming out. And anyways, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving.